Apple has a brand new tool for augmented reality. Just last month, Apple surprised us with the online release of the new iPad Pro for 2020. With a design roughly unchanged, the true draws of this device are the updated internals, including the 8-core A12Z Bionic processor with Neural Engine, M12 Motion coprocessor, and an increase to 6GB of RAM across all models. Configurations now start at 128GB up to 1TB, with a new dual camera system that now includes an ultra-wide sensor, as well as the new Lidar Scanner, along with peripheral technology to further entice people to the Pro product level, one of which being this fancy new floating Magic Keyboard, complete with its own dedicated trackpad. With all of this, the iPad Pro is moving further and further toward a laptop computer classification rather than a mobile device, despite the apparent software differences. It has the same great ProMotion Liquid Retina display, and comes in 11 and 12.9-inch sizes just as before. This iPad Pro, however, is a more refined version of the previous model, rather than a leap forward. But Apple is using it as an opportunity to debut one of their newest advanced technologies. There is no question the iPad continues to be a portable creative powerhouse, capable more so than many actual computers out there with unique apps, peripherals, and functions, in the sense of specific usage scenarios. Therefore, perhaps the most interesting and intriguing piece of tech that made its way into the iPad Pro this year is the advanced camera system. I made a previous video more thoroughly discussing the 3D depth sensing Apple was working on bringing to future devices, including the next iPhone, which you can find in the link in the description. This type of sensor allows spatial depth mapping using light to detect obstructions within its field of view, typically up to 120 degrees, with varying ranges. Other similar systems, however, have been able to detect obstacles hundreds of meters away. We now know that this previous technology Apple acquired has been used to create the scanner that augments the iPad Pro's updated camera array. This sensor has now been realized as the Lidar Scanner, which stands for Light Detection and Ranging. While we don't have complete specs on Apple's own sensor, they claim it delivers cutting-edge depth sensing capabilities, so we will have to rely on real-world testing and use to substantiate its scanning capacity. In an everyday setting, however, this LiDAR-equipped camera system may not provide immediate benefits to users, but through applications of spatial augmentation with the help of apps and software dedicated to the use of this technology, its use can become more widespread. While obvious advantages manifest in the form of enhanced AR gaming and entertainment, additional merits can be found in other sectors as well. Make no mistake, Apple is moving this technology into the forefront of expanding the augmented reality capabilities of their devices, with the ability to map entire spaces and precisely place objects, scenes, and models within a natural environment, with more accurate measurement and sensing. All of this within a portable device with remarkable processing power. This will likely be a growing technology rather than an immediate hit, but I believe Apple has big plans in place to make this system a staple in their augmented reality development, perhaps even in new product categories. But let's continue the discussion in the comments down below, and feel free to drop a like while you're there if you enjoyed this video. Also, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tech videos coming soon to this channel. Until next time, I'm SoftKinetic Tech.